This episode promotes the safe and proper use of power wire brushes. Before viewing this video, watch episode 1 where we introduce the spot concept and discuss a safe work environment, personal protective equipment, and the proper care and inspection of abrasives and wire brushes. Wire brushes are an essential part of metal fabrication. When misused, they can be dangerous to the operator, coworkers, and equipment. Therefore, it is critical to select the correct brush and use it properly for the job at hand. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations and local safety requirements when using these products. When using power wire brushes, always keep SPOT in mind for safe and proper product operation, speed and size, pressure, orientation, and time. Speed and size. Power brushes are most effective when the speed and pressure of the operation are properly matched to the demands of the job. In most applications, the highest speed and lightest pressure will ensure the fastest cleaning and longest brush life. As a rule, choose the finest wire that will do the job without having to apply excessive force. Be sure that the max RPM of the product is rated higher than the RPM rating of the power tool. A cup brush may fit on an angle grinder but not be rated for that power tool. Remember, always check RPM ratings. Hoods and safety guards must always be kept in place. With bench grinders, use the provided guard and ensure the wire wheel fits without interference. Right angle grinders typically come with a grinding guard and should be used with wire brushes. Wire cleans at high speeds, and the guard acts as a shield between the operator and debris. Stem-mounted brushes should be fully inserted into collets, then slightly backed out. This ensures the curved base of the stem is not on the collet's compression area. Pressure. Avoid excessive pressure and allow the tips of the wire and the speed of the brush to do the work. Applying too much pressure results in overbending the wire and heat buildup, causing long wire breakage, rapid dulling, and reduced brush life. If the brush is not cleaning effectively, switch to a more aggressive product. Choose a brush with thicker wire, shorter trim, or a knot configuration with less flexibility. Encapsulated brushes are the most aggressive because only the wire tips are exposed. The encapsulation eliminates long wire breakage. Never chip the encapsulation away to expose the wire. Doing so can cause the brush to run out of balance or fragment. If an encapsulated brush is too aggressive, select a smaller wire size or a less aggressive brush. Orientation. Wire brushes are made in many different configurations. This provides options for the angle of approach while allowing the tips of the wire to do the work. Wire wheels should always be operated at 90 degrees, while cup brushes and bevel brushes are designed for lower working angles. Stay within 15 degrees of the suggested working angle of the brush. Never use a wire brush on its side or edge, as this is ineffective and leads to long wire breakage. Position the brush so the tips of the wires are striking the metal and doing the work. Wire wheels and cup brushes work well on flat surfaces, but can catch an edge of the workpiece and kick back. Pay close attention to surface edges to avoid potential safety issues. Time. As wire brushes are used, the leading edge of the wire tips wear away. Wire wheels with dual nuts or arbor holes can be periodically flipped to take advantage of the self-sharpened tips. Do not flip a wire brush unless it is designed to do so. Brushes with single nuts should not be flipped because it positions the brush too close to the grinder and causes pinch points. When using an end brush inside an ID, insert the brush prior to starting it. This will reduce long wire breakage as the brush will naturally expand when run. If the brush is rusty, throwing wire, running out of balance, or difficult to control, it's time to replace it. Remember the key factors under your control that limit the potential for injury when using power wire brushes: speed and size, pressure, orientation, and time. Think SPOT.